What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we're doing the Pi Network price prediction, and Pi Network is a very good token, and I felt like we should do the price prediction for this token. Can it get to $1 in the long run when a bull market comes and things are better with the tariffs and all of that? Can Pi Network get to $1? That's what we're looking at in this video. First, what is Pi Network? Pi Network is like a price feed for crypto and stocks that sends real-time data directly from trading firms like major institutions to the blockchain. It helps the apps, trading platforms, and smart contracts to get accurate prices without relying on outdated resources. So, in a nutshell, Pi Network helps trading boards, lending platforms, and exchanges get the latest prices from major financial institutions. And if you build stuff on the blockchain, you would realize how important such a token is, because you want to be able to get live information, live data directly using an API into the blockchain, and Pi Network helps you with that. And that's why this token is super valuable, guys. So if you look at the chart, you would notice that it just broke the support here. It's going further down, which I can attribute to the bearishness of the overall market. The S&P 500 is down by over 400 points. So the market is pretty bearish for everybody. I'm recording this on the 4th of April. So it has broken its support and it's going further down. The histogram is just about to turn negative on the daily. It's already negative on the weekly, which is to tell you that we're still very much in bearish territory. And that's it for technical analysis. For tokenomics, everything is in order. Has a market cap of 479 million, total supply of 9.9 billion, and max supply. I love the fact that if you've been following all of my price prediction videos, you would notice how important it is for a token to have a max supply. I'm always a fan of tokens with max supply. It means it won't be subject to token inflation over time. The circulating supply is also okay, 3.62. Just goes to tell you that many of the tokens is not in supply yet, it's not circulating yet, which also could cause token dilution, price dilution with time, but it is still good because the token is super valuable. So a similar token to Pi Network that does literally the same thing, but Pi Network is faster in delivering the information, delivering price data, is Chainlink. Chainlink and Pi Network are basically the same thing, but Pi Network is faster in delivering of data. So, and if you look at Chainlink, Chainlink is already at $12. So, can Pi Network get to $1? Yes, easily. Easily, Pi Network can get to $1. Easily. It can get to $1 during the bull run. Su is already at 2.2. Celestia is already at 2.73. I believe with the usefulness of the Pi Network and the need for live data from major institutions in the development and deployment of blockchain applications, then Pi Network is super useful. It's just like Chainlink. It's already at $12. Total supply is 1 billion. Circulating is 657 million. So Pi Network, in terms of circulating supply, is much, but it has the potential to get to $1. And if it gets to $1 with this circulating supply, the market cap will just be 3.62 billion, and Chainlink is around 8.4 billion. So can Pi Network get to $1? Absolutely yes. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.